Okay, so first of all, log into the CyberPanel with your login credentials. Click on the sign in button here, and this will take me to the dashboard. Out of the multiple options available here, in this video we will just focus on websites, creating a new website. So in order to create a website, either click on this website tab over here or click on the website option on the left hand menu and click on create website. This will take you to the create website screen, from where first of all you need to select the package, which I've already created in advance. Select the owner. Owner is someone who is logged into the system, and enter the domain name. Now here we don't have to enter the domain name starting with www. It will be auto created. So for the demo purpose, I'm just writing the domain name new demosite.com. By the way, this domain does not exist, and I will add my email ID and select PHP version, say 8.1. Okay. From the additional features, I will select SSL, DKIM support and open base directory protection and click on the create website button. This will start the process of creating the website. Setting up the SSL certificate will take some time. Okay, now it's successfully installed and its website is successfully created. So I'll click on this go back button and it will take me to the create website. But again, I don't need to come over here. So I'll just go back to the list of the websites from this left hand menu, and now I can see my newly created website is over here. Right now, in order to upload files, I'll just click on the file manager option. This will take me to the file manager. I'll go inside public HTML, and now I will upload the zip folder that I've already created in advance. Okay, so let me. Okay, so it's demosite.zip, and I'll click on this upload button. Now if you are uploading multiple files together, then you can drop or choose multiple files here and then click on this upload all button to upload all the files together. So now my zip file is uploaded. I'll close this, and as you can see, now I have this by default created index.html, and I'll just delete this file because I don't no more need it. Select this skip trash folder and confirm. That's it. Now I'll click on this demosite.zip, right click and extract. Okay, so now my file is extracted, and now I have index.html and couple of image files. So this is the files, and like your system might be having some folders and subfolders. So whatever will be there will be uploaded to the server. Now for security reason and safety purposes, I'll just delete this zip file and confirm. That's it. Now if you will try to execute this website, it won't work. This is because we have created the website on the server, we have uploaded the files onto the server, but we have not yet pointed our domain to this server. So how can we do that? We need to set up the DNS records at our domain provider. So I'll click on this CyberPanel, and I will note down my IP address. For the security and safety purposes, I've blurred this IP address, but you need to copy this IP address and log into your domain provider's account, go to your domain's DNS records and set up the DNS records and point your domain to this IP address. It will take few hours for your domain to propagate and for your new domain to be active. Once your domain is propagated, your site will be live. So that's all in this very short quick video. If you have any queries or questions, do let me know and I'll be happy to help you. That's all in this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.